Hello YouTube family, you're welcome to provide a solution given this nice exponential equation, okay, which is 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x. This is supposed to give us a value of 80, okay. Now 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x, this is in the form of a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, which we can express as a raised to power n plus m, okay. So by doing so, we're going to have 4 raised to power x plus x, and this is supposed to be equal to 80, okay? So we have 4 raised to power x plus x, this is 2x, this is equal to 80, okay? Now to solve for the value of x, we introduce the natural logarithm such that we're going to have log 4 raised to power 2x, this is equal to log 80, okay? Now from what we have here, we can express 4 as 2 raised to power 2, and we can express 80 as 16 multiplied by 5, okay? So this 16 multiplied by 5, 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to power 4, okay? So times 5 so that we have 80. So let's substitute this and 2 squared back to the equation. We'll have log 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2x, this is equal to log 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5, okay? We have log 2 raised to power 2 multiplied by 2x is equal to log 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5. So what we have here, this is log 2 raised to power, this is 2 times 2x, which is 4x, okay? 2 raised to power 4x, this is equal to log 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5, okay? Now from what we have here on the right hand side, log 2 raised to power 4 multiplied by 5, this is in the form of log a multiplied by b, which we can express as log a plus log b, okay? So applying this property, we're going to have log 2 raised to power 4x, this is equal to log 2 raised to power 4 plus log 5, okay? Now from what we have here again, you find that log 2 raised to power 4x, this is in the form of log m raised to power n, which we can express as n log m, okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have 4x log 2, this is equal to 4 log 2 plus log 5, okay? So we are saying this is log 2 raised to power 4, so this becomes 4 log 2 by applying this property. Now from here, we're going to divide both signs by log 2, and also here log 2. So from what we have here, we have 4x, this is equal to log 2 simplifies so that we have 4 plus, this is log 5 divided by log 2. Now from here, you find that log 5 divided by log 2, this is in the form of log a divided by log b, okay? And that can be expressed as log a to base b, okay? So let's apply this property. We have 4x, this is equal to 4 plus log 5 to base 2, okay? So we divide both signs by 4, so that x is equal to 4 and 4 simplifies, this is 1 plus, this is 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This is the value of x, okay? So let's verify if this value of x satisfies the equation, okay? Now, if you might recall, we end at 4 raised to power x multiplied by 4 raised to power x, this is equal to 80, okay? We simplify further, and this is equal to 4 raised to power 2x, this is supposed to give us a value of 80, okay? So let's substitute the value of x. So let's verify that this value of x, which is 1 plus a quarter log 5 to base 2, satisfies the equation, okay? So as you might recall, we end that 4 raised to power x multiplying by 4 raised to power x, this is equal to 80, okay? Which is 4 raised to power 2x, this is equal to 80, okay? So from here, let's substitute the value of x, which is 1 plus, this is 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. From what we have here, this is 4 squared into the bracket 1 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us 80, okay? Now, this is the same thing as 4 raised to power. This is 2 times 1, which is 2, plus this is 2 times 1 over 4, and this 2 and this 4 simplify, so we have a half log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80, okay? Now, 4 raised to power 2 plus a half log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of a raised to power n plus m, which we can transform as a raised to power n multiplied by a raised to power m, okay? Now, from here, we find that we have 4 squared multiplied by, this is 4 raised to power, this is a half log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to be equal to 80, okay? Now, from what we have here, 4 squared, this is equal to 16, okay? So we have 4 squared, this is equal to 16, okay? So we have 16 multiplied by 4 raised to power. This is half log 5 to base 2. This is supposed to give us a value of 80. Now, from what we have here, 4 raised to power half log 5 to base 2, this is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is basically equal to a, okay? So let's apply this property so that we're going to have from here, we have 16 multiplied by, this is 4 raised to power, this is log 5 to base, now we have 2 times 2, this is equal to 4, and this is supposed to give us a value of 80, okay? Now, we find that 4 raised to power log 5 to base 4 is in the form of m raised to power log a to base m, which is equal to a, okay? So that means that 4 raised to power log 5 to base 4, this is basically equal to 5, okay? So let's substitute 5 back to the equation. We're going to have 16 multiplied by 5. This is supposed to give us a value of 80, okay? So 16 times 5, this is equal to 80, which happens to be equal to 80. So that means that the left-hand side is equal to the right-hand side, and that affirms that the value of x, which is 1 plus 1 over 4 log 5 to base 2, satisfies the equation. Kindly follow the steps, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly consider subscribing. Thank you.